As I said, there are three basic levels of cyber preparedness that I've encountered in my experience. Too little and too late, the folks that just haven't gotten it. And that's either because they are not really aware of the risks. So often I hear this, well, I'm a small company. This will never happen to me. Or who would be interested in what I have? And that's not the case. So these folks in the too little and too late category will talk about that. The second category is the unprepared for the worst case. These are the folks that sort of have it together, but they really haven't gone to that next level of preparedness. And we'll talk about then the third scenario, which are those that are ready, willing, and able. But unfortunately, more often than not, this last category is not very well represented when I've been involved in these kinds of cyber situations.